In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Upwork profile by adding certifications. Taking the time to showcase your skills through certifications can really set you apart from others on the platform, and it's a straightforward process that's definitely worth the effort. Let's dive right in and get this done together. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Upwork's website. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account so that you have access to your personal dashboard. Once you're in, you're going to want to navigate to your profile. To do this, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Your Profile. This will redirect you to your personalized profile page where you can manage and update various details about your professional presence on Upwork. Now that you're viewing your profile, let's focus on the certifications section. This area is specifically designed for you to add any relevant certifications that can showcase your expertise to potential clients. Scrolling down your profile, you'll find the certifications section. If it's your first time adding certifications, or if you're adding more, look for the plus icon nearby or a button that prompts you to add new certifications. Click on this icon to begin the process of listing your professional credentials. You'll typically be asked to provide information such as the certification's name, the organization that issued it, the date it was awarded, and maybe even a confirmation ID or URL. This is crucial as it helps substantiate the certification's authenticity, providing clients with confidence in your skills and accomplishments. Be thorough and accurate when entering this information to avoid any discrepancies that could arise later. Additionally, if your certification includes a digital badge or an online verification link, be sure to include that as well to further bolster your credibility. After you've filled in all the necessary details, make sure to review everything for accuracy. It's easy to overlook small errors, and a little extra attention here can make your profile look much more professional. Once you're satisfied with the entries, go ahead and save your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully added your certifications to your Upwork profile. Before you wrap up, it might be helpful to take a final look over your entire profile, ensuring everything reads well and reflects the professional image you wish to project. Regular updates to your profile, including new certifications as you earn them, can keep your profile dynamic and engaging for potential clients. Thank you for watching this guide. I hope you found it helpful and that you're excited to leverage your newfound knowledge to enhance your presence on Upwork.